Welcome. If you've ever blocked someone on Instagram but now want to reconnect, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to unblock someone on the Instagram app using your PC. With the newest update, the process is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on More. This will expand a list of additional settings and features. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences, privacy, and security options. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the Blocked section. This is where Instagram keeps a list of all the accounts you've blocked. Click on Blocked, and you'll see a list of usernames that you've previously blocked. Scroll through the list to find the person you want to unblock. Once you've found their name, look for the Unblock button right next to their profile. Click Unblock, and Instagram will immediately lift the block from that account. The person will now be able to view your profile, send you messages, and interact with your posts again, just like before you blocked them. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Instagram using the app on your PC. It's a straightforward process, and with these updated steps, you can easily manage your blocked list whenever you need. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.